Introductions, a simple yet crucial skill, yet one that many seem to fumble. But fear not, for today I shall teach you how to introduce yourself in English with confidence and grace. Let us begin, shall we? First, let us discuss casual introductions, those used when meeting new friends or acquaintances. In such cases you may say, "Hello, I'm Livia, lovely to meet you." "Hi, I'm Livia, what's your name?" Quite straightforward, yes? But suppose you find yourself in a more formal setting, perhaps at a business event or an academic gathering. In such instances one must adopt a more refined approach. "Good day, my name is Livia. It is a pleasure to make your acquaintance." "Hello, I'm Livia. I don't believe we've met before." The key difference? Formal introductions are more polished and structured, while casual ones are light and friendly. Now, let us proceed. Now, one does not merely state their name and stand there in silence. A good introduction provides the other person with something to respond to. Let us consider a few natural ways to extend your introduction. "Hello, I'm Livia. I am an English instructor and language specialist." "Hi, I'm Livia. I'm originally from Oxford, but I've been teaching in London for a while now." "Nice to meet you. I'm Livia. I've been looking forward to this event. Have you attended before?" See how these introductions feel natural. You are not forcing conversation, but rather offering a small detail that allows the other person to respond comfortably. It is all about keeping things effortless and far less awkward. When someone introduces themselves, resist the urge to merely nod and mumble "nice to meet you." Instead, respond in a way that keeps the conversation going. Observe. "Lovely to meet you as well, James. What do you do?" "Oh, that's interesting. How long have you been working in your field?" "Nice to meet you too. Have you attended similar events before?" See? A proper response makes interactions smoother and helps you connect with others more naturally. And now a few common errors to avoid. Pray, do not mumble or speak too softly. Confidence is key. Give one-word answers. It makes you seem uninterested. And forget to smile. A friendly demeanor makes all the difference. A strong introduction sets the tone for any interaction, so do it well and do it with confidence. And there you have it, introductions done properly. Now I have a task for you. Introduce yourself in the comments below. Let us see how well you have learnt today. And of course, do not forget to subscribe for more English lessons. Until next time, farewell and speak well.